Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. By the way, habang sinashuffle ko tong cards, ilagay ko lang dito, these are the ways kung paano ka makakapagpabook ng reading sa akin. Ayan, dyan ka na lang makipag-coordinate ka sa aking admin. Yung admin ko ang mag-a-assist sa iyo. And then also, if you want to avail yung aming mga products, such as this, ito lucky, pansabit. Yan. All of those are cleanse, bless, and ritualize. If you want to avail that, doon na lang sa aming TikTok shop. Okay. Feel free to comment down below. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Negative comments are, hindi yun welcome dito sa channel. So, sorry. Anyway, let's start. I hope you're good, guys. Follow nyo rin ako sa Facebook. Message for the sign of water sign. Hindi ko ito kukunin, masyadong marami. For the sign of water sign. Knight of Cups. Knight of Swords. Some of you, nakakita tayo dito ng you want to do something. Especially, I feel like may love related dito. And money na rin with the Ten of Pentacles. Pero you feel like, alam mo yun, yung iba sa inyo, pabalik-balik like parang push and pull sa connection. Yung iba naman hindi, more on push sa connection. Pero yung iba, kaya nagkaka-push and pull, some of you, parang yung energy is like, I can't get out of the situation kasi parang I still need the person. Kailangan ko pa yung person because of money matter. Lalo na kung siya yung nagpo-provide, siya yung nagtutulong sa'yo. So, parang ganun. So, the push and pull, no? Sa connection na ito. And then, yung iba naman, more on push kasi ang gusto mo changes. Gusto mo nang, you see this person as someone that could change you, change your life. And pwedeng may mga magagandang offers or may mga magaganda ka rin naman nakikita dito sa person na ito na nagiging dahilan for you na parang itutuloy ko to kasi parang magiging okay naman itong connection namin because financially, especially nga kung financially stable tong tao to. So, sino tong person na kakonect mo for the sign of water sign? Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Ten of Swords, the Tower. Okay. Some kind of ending ang pinagdadaanan ngayon itong person na ito. Yung iba, kung hindi sa inyo mismo ang ending, kasi nga may push and pull, yung iba, it could be the person, pwedeng may sarili siyang changes or endings na nangyayari sa buhay niya ngayon na with the Tower, medyo kung kayo na person na to, this person mas high chance na gusto niya nang i-end yung relationship. Yeah. So, if you're push and pull, sa kanya mas more on pull, no? And there could be an ending na nangyayari sa inyo ng person na ito. Kasi gusto niya na magkaroon ng growth, maybe financially. At saka there are things dito sa person na ito na parang feeling niya hindi nag-grow if you're there, no? Pag nandyan ka. I feel like there's love here, but mas nakukuha natin yun sa side mo, no? Especially if you are in a relationship, like maybe married, pero itong person na to is like, nung una, hindi kanya kayang i-let go. But for now, nakikita natin mas gusto niya nang umalis, lumayo, at i-let go ka sa connection na ito. Okay, so ano yung emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? For the sign of a water sign, emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. For the sign of water sign, please. Spirit guys, angel guys, you do have here the Page of Pentacles, the Hermit. I feel like mas more on push ang ginagawa ng iba sa inyo because of related sa either old people sa buhay ninyo or bahay or tahanan mismo, and maybe a child. And nandun yung parang with the Four of Pentacles. Andun yung parang I need to be more grounded, no? Parang kailangan kong mas mag-focus muna doon sa um, mga other people na importante sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. Parang ganon. So, I feel like your energy is more concentrated sa home or sa mga taong involved sa home or sa mga taong involved sa mismong connection ninyo. Like, yeah, maybe grandparents or parents. Iniisip mo sila. No? And, ano yung emosyon ng person na ito patungkol sa'yo? Hindi ko ito kukunin masyadong marami. Hindi para sa lahat, pero yung iba pwedeng may galit itong person na ito for you. May galit siya sa'yo. Yeah. Dito over the Five of Swords. Yeah, the Five of Wands is here and the Six of Wands. So, nakikita niya as medyo yung iba sa inyo, medyo mababatingin itong taong ito sa'yo. Like, you're always there, pero mas feeling niya, mas kailangan mo siya. Ganon. And then may galit, may inis sa kanya. And the Five of Swords, it's like, mas okay para sa kanya lalayo or iiwas ka. Knight of Wands is here. Yeah, maybe this person is very passionate. But at the same time, pag nawala, kumbaga nakuha natin dito, medyo nawala na yung fire sa inyong dalawa, yung passion and love, etc. Mas kinoconsider na lang is yung mga other people na involved sa connection. But mas nakikita natin dito na parang mas more on galit or away ang nakikita natin. So what will happen in the near future for the both of you? And I can see a child na involved. So, a child or children. So, minsan yun yung, kasi sa relasyon or lalo na kung mag-asawa, no? Minsan yun na yung nagpapatibay yung anak. But the love is gone. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? I'm seeing a lot of nights. So, yung iba sa inyo pwede may mga pagta-travel recently. Okay, sorry about that. Kinailangan ko lang i-pause yung video kanina. So, medyo naputol ako. Anyway, yeah. Kunin natin yung near future between the two of you. Definitely may problem dito sa connection at sa relasyon na ito. In the near future for the sign of water sign. In the sign of water sign. In the sign of water sign in the near future for you. You do have the Page of Swords. Two of Wands. Okay. Okay. The Queen of Cups, pero naramdaman ko yung reversal dito. Three of Wands, the Emperor, and the Ace of Pentacles. Well, I can see in the near future. Actually, wala na talaga akong love na nakukuha. But rather, mga obligasyon at responsibilidad, especially if there's children. The Ace of Pentacles, I feel like there's offer in the near future or pwedeng may new beginning regarding money or ideas kung paano mag-grow ang finances or paano mas magkakaroon ng pag-level up ng, um, you know, uh, pagkakakitaan. And the Two of Wands, nakakita tayo dito ng pagpaplano. The Emperor is here. So, nandito yung offer coming from the Emperor. Someone na mas magaling pagdating sa usaping pinansyal. Or nandun yung, this person can siya yung tipo ng tao na kaya mag-start ng something, maybe a business or what. So, nakakita tayo ng offer dito. And yeah, Page of Cups, nakakita tayo ng maayos na pag-uusap, maybe regarding money, regarding the offer. Pero nandun yung parang hindi na complete yung tiwala sa isa't isa. So, medyo nakaka-affect yun. So, that is it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.